Why go through the stress of pounding yam, pound, sweat, and at the end of it, you won't be able to eat it? Yeah, it's a quick one, or if you try to use a quick way for you to pound or blend your yam, and it will be fluffy within seconds or minutes. Your pounded yam is ready without stress using your blender. Okay, just make sure one you cut the yam in a bit size. Unfortunately, I think I put too much of yam at first. Make sure that the quantity of yam you put shouldn't be much so that it won't run the power of your blender down. So I added too much right from this time. It's supposed to be just little. So you add just little, let's say like 2 or 3 quantity, then you blend. Just watch how I'm going to do this. My blender has was smelling at this point because I added too much of yam. It was smelling at this point, but it didn't get spoiled because the strong blender. So just imagine this was done within 5 minutes. My pounded yam was ready and I enjoyed my meal. Just with blender, it was fluffy, no lumps, nothing. So you can imagine then how the parents used to do pounded yam, that after boiling they'll start pounding, be sweating. And by the time they finish, they won't even have the interest to eat the food. It will be the father and the children that will only eat it. The mother themselves will not enjoy the meal. But why go through the stress? Let everyone enjoy the meal together. Just use your blender. Let your blender do the sweating for you. Okay, one of the things I think you need to know, my blender has 1000 watts. So I don't know how many watts that can carry this. I read someone said a blender has 850 watts and it was still able to blend the yam very well. I didn't add any water. So this goes with, I prepared this with egusi, bitter leaf, uziza soup or stew or sauce, whichever way you like it. You can see how nice my pounded yam is. So I'm going to cut it for you to see. I didn't add any water like you see when I was showing you the video. You can see how fluffy the pounded yam is. Very fluffy, no lumps, nothing. We enjoyed it. We all enjoyed this meal. So this is the way for you. So this is the blender. It comes in four. It comes with four what would I call it now? 4 jar. The small one for dry, the fruits, the white one for fruit, and 2 stainless steel for pepper and coconut and every other thing. So you can see it's a heavy duty 1000 watt blender. So it has a light here that shows overload. So when the power is too much, the light will come up. But ever since I've been using it, I've not seen the light came up or come up. So these are the things it said it can do: special shock proof, ABS body, low noise. But that low noise is not easy. It used to make noise. It makes noise. Two sturdy stainless steel jar like the one you saw. Then polycarbonate transparently cover. This is what they mean. This black cover. It's kind of transparent but not too transparent. So those are the things my blender can do. You can see the name. It has 1000. It's 1000 watt. That was the load it can carry. It was on one. I used one to run the I used one to run the pounded yam. I didn't exceed one. So I bought it. I bought it on I bought it at the supermarket store, but it's also available on Jumia. Thank you.